What's up, guys? Yak Maniacs, we're back. Today we are catfishing. We've already started the day. It sort of sucked. And then we had a moment of brilliance. We went to Kellogg Creek where I've caught that 7-pound catfish before. If you haven't seen that, go check it out.
8 pounds.
It was 8 pounds, wasn't it? Go check it out. It's one of the corners. So this is the first fish that we caught, which was sort of awesome because we were just sitting here. We weren't expecting it, and we just heard the drag just scream.
Yep. Oh, we got something good on here, folks. Something on a cut shad. This ticker. Dude, it ran like it was big. It's a good catfish. Dude, that's a decent catfish. Want me to grab him for you? Hey, bud. All right, our first fish of the day. Took a while. Say that much.
It was worth it.
Hey, that's maybe 6-7 pounds.
There we go.
Hey, we made something out of nothing.
We
Again.
thought today was gonna be a bust, but it's not. I can't talk.
Yeah.
I have like beef jerky in my throat. See you later, dude.
See you later, bud. Thank you very much for all that.
So, first fish today, we caught it on a frozen dead shad. We threw it out there and we just waited for the drag to scream. It was pretty intense. It definitely took off way quicker than like what I thought the size of that fish would. But it was a good catch. What's up, guys? Yak Maniacs, we're back. Today we're at Lake Ackworth again, and I've already caught a fish on a hard bait, which is an accomplishment today.
It never happens.
Never happens ever. But today is just a normal day of fishing.
Trying to figure out a fall pattern, really. I said I don't fish this lake much during the fall, and so
I don't think I've ever fished it during the fall.
So I was trying to figure out a fall pattern, try to catch some fish. Praying we get a good sized fish. I want something over 2, but right now it's got the one. It's like what, 2 inches? So
no, it's not 2 inches. It's probably 3/4 of a pound.
It's better than nothing. So
better than nothing, that's for sure. So you'll see that video right now. Yeah. All right. Well, that's the fish. 6 cents. Did the work. Did the work. All right, finally caught one on crankbait, and it was a 6 cents one. I'm happy that I did that. See you later. Shout out to Ozark Outfitters. If you want to get some apparel from them, use code YAK10 at checkout.
10% off. I mean, they got some cool designs. I really like this hoodie.
Pretty cool.
Go check them out. I mean, their stuff is nice. I really like this hoodie. It's my new favorite hoodie.
I like
now
that.
It's dirty, but it's okay. It's supposed to show my adventures.
All right, we'll see you when we catch another fish.
The thing that was here fell into the water.
Oh, I got a fish. I got a crappie. Justin and I are ready to go, but I told Justin 10 casts. If he catches a fish, I'll buy him dessert, or us dessert to share. I won't count it. That was your first cast. He has 10 casts. And I told him if he screws it up, I even know what you're giving me. Well, we also have a storm coming, so I told him it has to be quick because I don't want to get rained on. That's one down. Was that 2? Trying to trick me? That was 4. 5. That was what, 7? Almost got you. 8. Yeah, 9. That's 10.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another episode on the Yak Maniacs YouTube channel. Today we are out here by Red Top Mountain State Park, if you're familiar with the area I'm at. And we're searching for some big ol' anything, honestly. So we catch catfish, striper, largemouth spot. But yeah, we're just gonna have a good day of it, see what we can catch. I don't know, Patrick's supposed to be here. He's not here yet. Come on, Pat. I want you here. That's all right. Hopefully next time I see you, I got something going on here. And all right, so it's been a rough morning. I don't have much going on. If anything, I had maybe my dad had a couple bites out of the bite. Patrick's been struggling. It's been a tough day. So now we may be closer towards this marina here. I don't know if you can see. And I'm fishing right off this point. I got the main channel right behind me. Fish. Let's go. Fish on. What is it? A gar? Oh, striper. Let's go. Oh. Oh, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, you. Little hybrid. Come here. Yes! Yes! Let's go. First fish of the day off the point. Oh, let's go. Well, here's my issue is that it's really gut hooked and I definitely lost my pliers. I really can't find them.
You lost your pliers?
They're definitely gone.
They're in the water?
No, like, I don't know where they are before I came here. Our mission has been accomplished. A striped bass. This is the fish that we've been looking for. Now, yeah, this is tiny. And I think it's actually a hybrid. You can see it on top of the lines are kind of broken. Well,
He looks like he's been chomped at.
yeah, and he's chomping my finger. But he put up a nice little fight, and oh, I'm excited. I'm happy to get him. He's gut hooked, so I'm gonna let him go. He's been out of the water for a while. Hey, first fish of the day, and my first striper off the yak. Let's go. And hopefully you get to swim, and I'll see you another day. Tell your friends that I have some more fish for them. So, come on. He might not do too hot. He's coming out of the water for a while. There he goes. He's good. I was just off the point here and I started coming up a little bit. And no, it's, I was like, I saw something splash over here, so something splash over there. I'm like, yeah, something's going on. So I just kind of came up over here. I like this point because there's the main channel is right off here, and it's a pretty steep drop off. So it's like, let's give this a shot, see what happens. And I noticed my big old strapper rod doing a little wiggle. I'm like, something's happening. And here we go, my first striper of Mac. I have a fish. I have a fish. No way. That worked. No way that worked. It's a little spot. It's a spot. Whoa. No way. Wow, wow, wow. Look what we have here. This guy's teeth are super freaking sharp. But here we go. My second fish of the day. I'm just sitting here along these rocks trying to retie this rod because I got snagged. I thought I was being bumped on that rod, but nope, just a little half-pound spot. I've been feeling like crap, to be honest. My stomach's just like, ugh, why are you on the water? But let me, it makes it worth it.